My name is Sean Fabio, lead technician here at Gage Marine. Today we're installing a new 90 horsepower Mercury engine on this Boston Whaler. So this morning we're unboxing a new Mercury engine. We're gonna mount it on this Boston Whaler right here. And we're also gonna upgrade to a Vessel View 403. What we're gonna do next is take the strap off. That's gotta stay on so that the power head doesn't smack into the crate when it's laid down. And then we're gonna unbolt the crate, and then we're gonna bolt it right onto the boat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the front, which is gonna give me more room in the back. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that the anti-ventilation plate is pretty even with the bottom of the boat. So if you don't do this part first, you'll never get this cable to slide through once it's bolted here. It's important to be methodical in how you go about it, step by step. That way you don't have to backtrack and start over again.